A lot of people miss the days of the Blackberry phones, where phones had physical keyboards that arguably feel a bit nicer to use than modern on-screen keyboards, which don't have proper physical feedback to give that classic tactile typing experience. But recently, tech YouTuber mrmobile announced a smartphone case with a full Mac-style keyboard that not only lets you type using physical buttons, but also allows you to use the built-in shortcuts in iOS. It's called the Clicks case, and it's designed to come in two different versions that support either Lightning or USB-C. The inside of the case has a plug that draws power from your phone to operate instead of using separate batteries and Bluetooth. And the bottom of the case will have an additional port for pass-through charging. It'll support two different colorways at launch, yellow and slate blue, with more colors planned in the future for VIP members. More on that later. Unfortunately, there will be some downsides to buying a case like this. First off, the keyboard would add a significant amount of bulk that would effectively make your phone more like a TV remote in terms of dimensions. So if you like having something that disappears in your pocket and isn't absolutely massive in your hand, then you may have some issues. Also, the case won't support MagSafe, so your current accessories wouldn't work with it, but wireless charging should still work. That being said, this case will not be cheap. It's planned to be sold between $139 and $159 depending on your iPhone model, but early adopters will have VIP access to new colors in the future. But if you have deep pockets and you really miss the old Blackberry style of phones, or you think you'd benefit from the keyboard shortcuts and the extra screen real estate when typing, then this could be a worthy investment. Let me know your thoughts in the comments and feel free to watch this video next, and I'll see you over there. Adios.